Hi, today we're going to talk about present simple open questions. Now we know we use the verb be when we talk about facts, and the verb be is am and is and are. So you say, I am a doctor, he is 18. To make it a question, you swap them around and you say, am I a doctor? Is he 18? Is she happy? Is it in the office? And you and we and they, we use are in front. Are you listening? Are we clerks? Are they hot? And the answer, of course, is yes or no. So if you want more information, you put the question word in the front. What, when, where, why, how, who, right? And we use do for actions. Say, I do eat. Question again, bring it in front. Do I eat? He does like coffee. Does he like coffee? Does she go shopping? Does it sleep? And do you play? Do we learn? Do they study? And to get more information, we put the what, when, where, why, how, who in front. Always question word, what, when, where, why, how, who, then the verb, and then the subject or pronoun. And you don't always need to have a question word if you want a yes or a no answer. So let's see. Let's choose. When do we use be and when do we use do? Are we late? Late is not an action, it's a fact. So we use the verb be, which is are. Does he have a laptop? Have is an action. So we use do. And because it's he, we say does. Am I a doctor? It's a fact. Is it hot? It's a fact. Do they know how to drive? No is an action. So we're going to use do. So we use do or does for the actions. And again, if you put the question word in front, when are we late? What does he have a laptop for? Why am I a doctor? When is it hot? How do they know how to drive? Now we're looking for answers. So when are we late? In the morning. What does he have a laptop for? For work. Why am I a doctor? Because I want to help people. When is it hot? In summer. How do they know how to drive? They have lessons and practice. Right, so you can practice now. You don't always just have one answer, but it can change the meaning. So we going, you can have many questions. Where are we going? To the shop. When are we going? At 4 p.m. Why are we going? Because we want to. So where or when or why, they want different types of answers. Yeah, time does Ali go to work? What's the answer? What time does Ali go to work? Right, here we have options. So you can say, how old am I? Why old am I? Or when old am I? Which one is correct? How old am I? Right, you can do the rest yourselves. What do you do? Why is he driving too fast? When are your birthdays? Nice. We'll see you next time for Possessive S. And if there's anything that you want a video on, please let me know. And please like, subscribe, and follow. See you later.